So in this Realtor.ca tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to find mobile homes for sale here on Realtor.ca. So once you open up Realtor, go to the bottom left, press on search, go to your location. Then once that is done, go to the top right and press on filters. Make sure that residential as well as for sale are both selected. Then scroll down to property type below that, press on building. Then where it says building type, press on any. Scroll down until you come across a mobile home right here and then press on that. Once that is done, go to the bottom right, press on search. Now what you're going to be looking for is mobile home listings that are for sale in your selected areas. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find mobile homes for sale on Realtor.ca. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.